You see, any conventional backpack stresses the individual's back 11 times more than the actual weight of the bag. Therefore, if one carries his or her heavy backpack for a substantial amount of the day, they have a very high chance of developing a backbone or a shoulder related deformity in the near future. So, frankly speaking, if this continues, our future appearance will be nothing different compared to our early ancestors with them bent curves. At Mochila, we try to make our society a better place with our products, and therefore, to solve this emerging issue, we present Vestpacks. Vestpacks are a two-in-one product that has a bag integrated into a vest, which allows the users to carry heavy weights without strapping a bag to their backs. So now you may ask that how are you so sure that your product is as good as any average backpack, if no better? Well, our vest packs are made with a very tensile and scientifically approved material known as the ballistic nylon. This material is tightly knit, highly durable, abrasion resistant, and waterproof, which allows the user to carry equal amounts of the load as any regular backpacks without feeling even an ounce of discomfort on your shoulder, as because it's strapless. As mentioned above, we aim towards the betterment of the society first, for which we plan to add an additional feature that allows customers to attach a hoodie by just zipping it into the vest. This gives them protection against a certain thunderstorm or rain anytime, anywhere. As stated above, we are the pioneers in this market for vest packs, which really exists in the intersection of the lifestyle industry, namely the market for consumer wearables and clothing. Essentially, we aim to cater two main market segments, which are the students and young adults, and the adventurers or the hikers per se. Now, when we talk about students or young adults, they like to be wholesome and attractive at the same time, for which we have developed some state of the art designs for our newest and vest packs, which will not only give them a chic and a bright look but also enable them to carry as many resources as they wish to carry, be it laptops, books, accessories, or whatever. Now, coming to our second market, which is the adventurers, they tend to carry as much as they can in order to be super prepared and ready for whatever they may face during their adventures. And here at Mochela, we got them covered. The second variant of our vest packs will be much larger in size with the same weight, which will enable them to carry a greater amount of resources. And moreover, this bag will come with a waterproof solar sheet attached on the top, which holds the ability to boost your dead devices for a short while in case you fall into some kind of danger. Second, the vest packs come with a portable and a comfortable sleeping bag, which can be enlarged in seconds. Who knew a vest pack could provide the best sleep even in the densest and the scariest forests ever on Earth? Thank you.